Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to turn on dark mode in the Google search engine. So when you're conducting Google searches, if you want to have the dark mode theme and background applied automatically, then I'll show you in a quick method. Alright, so without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up the Chrome web browser. And the next step, dito lang sa searching address bar, ay type mo lang dito yung Google. And then enter mo na siya. Okay, so dito lang sa top right corner, and then i-click mo lang tong quick settings. And then pop-up itong kanyang search settings. In the next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung dark theme. So i-click mo lang siya. And then automatic mga kaibigan, ang Google theme ay naka-dark mode na siya. Okay, so para totally na mag-dark mode pati yung background. So, ang next step ay dito lang sa top right corner, i-click mo lang itong 3-dot icon. And the next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings. And then dito sa settings ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung appearance. So, click mo lang siya. And then dito sa appearance ay makita mo kagad dito yung mode. And then dito lang sa right side, click mo lang itong arrow na to. And then select mo lang dito yung dark. And then automatic mga kaibigan, totally in a dark mode na siya. Okay? So, halimbawa mag-search tayo. So, let's say Google. And then ito na siya. Okay, so totally na dark mode na siya. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-turn on ang dark mode on Google Chrome. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.